What causes Roblox error code 103?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we will be talking about Roblox error code 103. For those who play and enjoy Roblox, encountering an error code can be quite frustrating. Error code 103 is one of those pesky problems that can interrupt your gaming experience, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand what causes this error and how to resolve it.
What is Roblox error code 103?
Roblox error code 103 typically indicates an issue related to age settings. This error most commonly appears when Xbox One players try to play a game that doesn't allow accounts marked as under 13 years of age. The error message reads, "The Roblox game you are trying to join is currently not available. Error code 103.
What causes Roblox error code 103?
Error code 103 is typically caused by two main factors. 1. Under 13 account. If the age settings on your Xbox One account indicate that you're under 13, certain Roblox games will be inaccessible. This is due to privacy and content restrictions for younger players. 2. Privacy settings. Even if the account holder is 13 or older, improper privacy settings could also lead to error code 103. If your settings don't permit joining multiplayer games, this error might appear.
How to fix Roblox error code 103?
Thankfully, there are a few ways to resolve error code 103. 1. Age verification. Verify the age set on your Xbox One account and make sure it's correct. If the age is set to under 13, you may need to wait until the account holder's age is updated to 13 or older. 2. Adjust privacy settings. You can also adjust the privacy settings on your Xbox One. Ensure that the settings permit you to join multiplayer games, as this might resolve the issue. In conclusion, Roblox error code 103 is a common issue faced by Xbox One users due to age settings or restrictive privacy settings. It's important to ensure that these settings are accurate and appropriate to prevent this error from occurring. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and resolving this error. Happy gaming, and see you in the next tutorial.